Good morning, people. This is the second day in Jamaica, and we are loving it. I'm trying to make sure that we don't forget to vlog while we are on this vacation. We've been doing a lot of video shooting, and we've been doing a lot of picture taking, but we have not been vlogging. And that was yesterday we didn't vlog. So I'm gonna start out today like this. We've just got up, waiting for a driver to come. Our man Calvin is going to take us to Kingston, where I was born. And we're going to be running around Kingston, me, the wife, and my two sons that are here. So, this is what our room look like. On the bed at the moment, there's a whole lot of things. I plan to meet up with one of my cousins in Kingston, and I plan to meet up with a friend, and I plan to stop by a few places like my old school that I attended, so my sons can see where I went to school and some other things. So without further ado, let me give you a little room tour to show you what the room looks like at the moment. The bed is kind of crowded, like I said. Oh, and as you can see, the action cams are charging. I've got an extra battery for my Canon, so I'm safe where that is concerned, where power is concerned. Got a few of my novels, a few copies of my novel that I plan to give to a few people, and some gifts. As you can see, the bed is not made, but like I said, we just woke up. It's not as tidy, but it's okay for being on camp. So this is the room. That's wifey right there, doing what she does best. She doesn't like to be on camera until she's camera ready. So we'll reintroduce her in a minute. That's the few pairs of shoes that I brought. We're kicking that one today. And that's her shoes that she's brought. Yeah, that's it. Let me take you guys out to the living room to see the other junior and then show this place off one more time. That's Corey.
What's going on?
My big boy. He's there.
Yeah. What's his Facebook?
No, this is for my vlog. I do a travel vlog.
Oh, yeah, what's going on?
You know, so wherever time we go anywhere, we always do a vlog to tell our subscribers what's going on.
All right.
What's
This is the first time I'm on the vlog.
Yeah. So that's Corey. All of us be rolling out to Kingston today, and yeah, we'll see how it goes from there.
Right.
All right.
A lot of fun.
So, James in the bathroom is getting himself together, and that's it. So,
see y'all soon.
See you. And this is the living area. I'll turn this camera around so y'all guys can see it properly. Once again. So, this is the living room area. Got Wi-Fi, got cable TV, got a decent sitting area right there. Got coffee table, got a sofa right there, another sofa there. That's the entrance. This is a living room photo. As you can see, the time now is almost 25 minutes to 7, so it's early in the morning. But like I said, we're expecting the driver. That's the dining area. That is a fan, and walk you down to the kitchen. This is like a bar type setting. You can sit there, lie there, and this is the kitchen area. As you can see, we've had lots of this, and without a doubt, we are of Jamaican descendants. We could not be here and not have our guava jelly. Could not be here without some bun, without some Shirley biscuit, and definitely without some Aldo bread. So that's where we're at the moment. That's the living area from the kitchen side of things. So I want you back to, let me just invade these boys' privacy for a minute. So this is the youngster's room. It's pretty decent, pretty alright. Not bad. It's got a built-in closet and everything. Got his phone charger at the moment. And this is the second room. You know, like I said, we're just waking up. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Everybody's chilled, everybody's got their own space. And yeah, they've got built-in closet in theirs. We haven't got ours in ours. So yeah, that's it. So let me leave them to their place, their space. Head back over to my domain. This place is pretty alright. Pretty clean, pretty chilled. So we're back in our domain. Still not ready. She's still not ready, but she will be in a second.
So, good morning. Yes, early morning, early rise. Today is Kingston Day, and I'm awake, ready. Got lipstick on, red lipstick, always red lipstick. Put some suntan lotion on. Not suntan lotion, what do you call it? Sunscreen? Sunblock. Hawaiian tropic sunblock. Because most black people don't realise that they have to take care of their skin in the sun as well. So that's my routine this morning. Outfit of the day, yeah! So, dress by Mango. My favourite thing of all time, it has pockets. So this necklace was made by a cousin of mine. She's also lives in Jamaica, so showing it off for her. Shoes, at the moment I have flip-flops on, but I'm not going to wear flip-flops. Here's my shoe haul that I bought with me. I'm going to be wearing these espadrilles, black espadrilles with the dress. Of course, sunnies. Be wearing these rose gold sunnies. A little hip. These were from AliExpress. Very nice. And to top that off, I'm going to be wearing my sun hat. So, that's your girl, it's your outfit. See you later.
This is the neighborhood that we are staying. We didn't want to do a resort type setting because we're actually of Jamaican heritage. I was born here. My wife, her parents are from here, even though she was born in the UK. And we decided if we're going to Jamaica, we'll definitely not be one. I think this is my man right here. I'm not so sure. Definitely it is my man Calvin. You know, so yeah, that's Calvin right there, you know, and that's the wife. Yeah. The timing could not have been better. Calvin is here, and that is the wife. Her outfit for the day. She's rocking it. Got a Louis Vuitton, of course, without a doubt, and her shoes. But she's looking good. Turn this around. Yes. Yes, Calvin. I was wondering if I was timing you properly. Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah, man. Next turn left all the early one.
Okay.
Morning, Calvin.
This is Calvin, our driver. He's going to take us to Kingston today. And yeah, usually when we go on holiday, we film everything.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You have to do that, man. You have to do that, man. Once we go somewhere strange, I'm happy.
Yeah, get some form of recording.
Want a video with me after this, man, before it concrete, before the wall go and scratch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cause just show you all
Here is going.
Yeah, I'm back. All the mud
Yeah.
stay in your foot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
man.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Blog world.
Yeah.
Me and, believe it or not, my son, even though I look like the son in this photograph. Me and my eldest son, you know what I mean, in Jamaica, loving it.
Beautiful out here.
Yeah. Last time he was here, he was eight,
Seven.
eight years old, you know. That was a
Little.
long time ago, you know. And yeah, last time I was here was like 9 years ago, so it's
A lot of
nice
time
to
to
be
make
back.
up.
Yeah, and I'm gonna do it. I'm anxious to go toward Kingston. I haven't seen it in forever, you know. So
Never seen it.
he's never seen it. So now
bro.
he's got to see where his dad is from. Got to see probably the hospital I was born in. Definitely the school that I went to, and yeah,
I'm excited.
yeah. So we're about to take it on the road. Peace.
Alright, see ya.
There's no way.
It's not gonna be that bad.
I've had it before.
He's had it before.
So, little man has a problem with his toe. I think it's ingrown or something. It's paining him to walk on, so this is the pain starts here. See, it wasn't that bad. You're not screaming.
Hold on to a wall.
You're screaming
I'm
inside.
trying to be merciful onto him. Oh, it's not as bad as I thought.
No.
How's
Not
it
as easy
feel?
with pain anyway. The toe is compromised.
Alright, it's all nice and clean now. Okay.
Better?
Cool.
When I look in your eyes, I see the stars shooting from the sky as if thrown from Mars. Only child, please don't let me down, 'cause we'll start falling, falling, falling towards the ground. Cause we'll start falling, falling, falling. Cause we'll start falling, falling, falling. Cause we'll start falling. I love my life. 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 Live my life today. For me, I live my life today. Yeah, so long me make me talk what I want for talk. Me have enough to say. So me go live my life today. Me go live my life today. So everybody help me sing it out. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Make a change, don't make nobody stress you. Don't make no blood pressure make your life left you. Never you hurt a soul unless you have to defend yourself if them try test you. Thank God for my life, yes. Me wake up this morning and alive, yes. Make them go and judge, nobody no perfect, and Father God alone bring brightness. If you not like come and say, go find the Lord. Me nah no time for the work, a time so hard. Them nah mad me nah gonna psycho ward. Or go join the morgue, enjoy my life for y'all. Few friends when me have were dear to me. Me not trust people so me choose them carefully. Them are not clean so them can't come near to me, can't compare to me. None of we don't know where tomorrow might bring, cause the future the hours away. So me I live my life today. Me I live my life today. Yeah, so love me make me talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say. So me gonna live my life today. Me gonna live my life today. So everybody help me sing it out. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Me love my life. Me love my life. Me love my life. So me I live my life today. Sure, never make nobody get the best of you. Look on the person of the mirror on the dresser too. Tell yourself say you're not gonna make them pressure you. And live life to the fullest that you better do. Just believe me know life not easy. Enough of we never born with gold spoon for feed with. No be greedy, set a pace in a life and achieve it. Listen to me keenly. Love me L-I-F-E until it left me. Me a go and keep a pray and a pray to Father God say old age catch me. Me a beg your Father bless me, guide and protect me. For every wrong move that me making on the streets correct me. None of we don't know where tomorrow might bring, cause the future the hours away. So me I live my life today. Me I live my life today. Yeah, so love me make me talk what I want to talk. Me have enough to say. So me gonna live my life today. Me gonna live my life today. So everybody help me sing it out. Me love my life.